And question 2, which expression is equivalent to 7x minus 5 in parentheses minus 3x minus 2? And this is the tough part, no doubt about it, of this question. Because what you have to remember is when you have a subtraction of a whole other term, it gets tricky. The way I think about it is adding the opposite, and you can always add the opposite, right? So adding the opposite would be like multiplying this whole other term by a -1. So you have 7x minus 5 plus -1 times all of this, which is 3x minus 2. Now, -1 times 3x, that's the one people will generally won't forget to do, and you're going to get minus 3x. But you also have to remember to have this -1 and multiply it to this -2 as well, and you're going to get plus 2 for that. So press pause if you have to, take a look at this, review your notes, but this is the part everyone's going to get wrong. They're going to see this minus this other term, and they're going to forget that that means this -2 here is going to turn to adding 2. Why? Because you add the opposite. It's like multiplying this whole expression by a -1. So 3x becomes -3x, and plus 2, because negative times a negative is a positive, becomes -2, because negative times a negative is a positive, becomes plus 2. Okay. Once we do the hard part, the easy part is easier. We have 7x minus 3x gives us 4x. And we have minus 5 plus 2 gives us minus 3, right? Because you're on a number line, here's 0, here's -5, and you add 2, you're going to get to -3. And that's going to be our answer. 4x minus 3. And we're good.